make yogurt at home, but we figured you'd probably buy it, so we bought it. So now we're making it, right? That's all.
Yeah, you can make this.
That's the next class though. Yogurt making.
Yeah.
So we're gonna mix it up, make it smooth.
Just whisk it so that the consistency is smooth. Okay.
What kind of yogurt? Like Greek yogurt or regular yogurt?
You could use Greek yogurt, but then you're going to have to add some milk or some buttermilk in it because it's too thick, and the consistency is not supposed to be too thick for the raita. Add some cucumber. It depends on you how much you want it. You don't want it to be too thick. You just want that you can see different stuff in there, just a little bit. I could in one this thing I'm going to add about. It's a small spoon, So about 3 or 4 spoons, okay? And then I'm going to use some finely chopped tomatoes, okay? About
Cucumbers.
This is the tomatoes,
And I had some chopped onions.
about the same amount, and some chopped onions.
I made for you last night.
Thank you, thank you. And about 4 spoons of that.
And
Chopped onion.
Finely chopped.
I'm gonna
onions.
reach over and get the
Okay.
cumin.
And then, yeah.
It gives a fantastic flavor. It's my favorite spice is roasted cumin. So you put it over the heat and you shake it up and let it.
Make sure it's on low heat, otherwise it's going to get burned very quickly.
Yeah, that's what
So
kind
you
of
want it to turn black and
Yeah.
then,
So I'm lifting it off and then putting it back because we're kind of in a rush, whatever. Right? But so go ahead. So go ahead.
And I'm going to add some salt in here. You could either add the regular salt or you could add black salt. Have you heard about black salt? It's not. You could get it in any Indian store. I know about the Indian store.
We have it here. We'll pass it around.
Yeah, it's not black in color. It's called black salt. It's not black in color.
have
It's
black
pink
salt
in
in
good
color.
flavor to the raita. You'll see the difference. It gives a very good flavor. So you can see it's pink in color, but it's called black salt. So I'll just add the black salt.
Vale. Because we're gonna mix it in the big one too, so you'll have to taste it.
Can I try a little?
Smell it and taste it, and it's really good. Good flavor. When you toast your cumin seeds, it should be brown in color, not black. It should look like it's toasted.
I'm gonna put it in here, and we're gonna grind that. And since we're gonna put this in the yogurt, we're gonna put that. We're getting both together.
So Sibrit is grinding the whole black pepper and the toasted cumin seeds to bring out the flavor. This really will release their flavor. And then this will be added to the yogurt mixture,
Just go ahead.
to the raita.
And when we serve it, we kind of sprinkle it a little in a little pattern. Put a little cilantro on it.
A little cilantro too, yeah.
Yes.
That gives good flavor too.
Cilantro.
And you could add some red chili powder as well if you want. We added black pepper, but or you could just decorate it on top. That's what we usually do. Using the cumin powder and the red chili powder, just decorate it. Can I put this on?
No, we're gonna put it on whole. But at home, you can chop it whole, whatever. Here we go. See. But if you finally chop
Chop karke do na,
it
acha
releases the flavor.
Where's that cumin?
She's chopping the cilantro.
And the final touch, the grand finale, is decorating it with cilantro, red chili powder, and some of your spices
Yes,
go on
there
top.
you go.
And now we're
This is called boondi, Bondi, okay? And you could either just put it right away like that itself. If you want it crispier, then this is the way you just add it to the raita, okay? And in that case, you do not add any other thing else, no cucumber or tomatoes or onion. You could just add this by itself and just add the salt and the rest of the spices. Yes, okay. You could either, like I said, add it right away if you want it crispier, And or we usually do, we put it in warm water for a little bit, then it gets softer, and squeeze out the water out of it, and then add it to the yogurt. Like I'm going to do, this is warm hot water right here. I'm going to add it to that, let it soak for a little bit. She really put really hot water in there.
You don't know what's going on.
Okay, you could strain it, or you could squeeze it so that all the water comes out of it. See there. That way, whatever oil is in there as well comes out, right? So yeah. And this way, you could directly add it to the yogurt.